Welcome to Vital Health Guide _US, your trusted channel for science-backed wellness after 60.
Every week, we bring you simple, practical health tips grounded in modern American medical research, so you can take charge of your well-being with confidence.
From heart and kidney health to vitamins, energy, and mobility.
It's wonderful to see everyone so active today. It truly is a vibrant community we have here.
Subscribe now and turn on the notification to never miss new videos.
Because staying informed is the best medicine for a longer, healthier life.
Today's video, we learn about why you should sleep with garlic under your pillow.
Garlic, it's one of those simple, everyday foods sitting quietly in almost every kitchen. But behind that strong smell and tiny bulb lies one of nature's most powerful healing secrets. For thousands of years, garlic has been treasured not only as a spice, but also as a form of medicine. The ancient Egyptians used it to boost strength and endurance. The Greeks gave it to athletes before the Olympics. And today, modern science continues to confirm what our ancestors somehow knew all along: garlic truly heals from the inside out. So what makes garlic so special? Inside this small bulb are more than 400 active compounds that can support your heart, immune system, metabolism, and even your sleep. Garlic contains vitamins B1, B6, and C, along with minerals like potassium, magnesium, calcium, and phosphorus. It's also loaded with a compound called allicin that's the natural chemical responsible for its strong aroma and its remarkable healing power. Allicin is formed when you crush or chop garlic. It has antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties. In fact, research from the National Institutes of Health shows that allicin can help lower cholesterol, reduce blood pressure, and even fight off harmful bacteria, sometimes better than prescription antibiotics. Let's look at what garlic actually does for you. When you consume garlic regularly, or even simply keep it close to your body, it begins to interact with your system in gentle, healing ways. 1. It supports your heart health. Garlic helps relax your blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more freely. That means lower blood pressure, less strain on your heart, and improved circulation, especially important as we age. 2. It boosts your immune system. Studies show that people who eat garlic regularly have fewer colds and infections. That's because garlic stimulates white blood cell activity, helping your body fight viruses and bacteria more efficiently. 3. It reduces inflammation. If you struggle with joint stiffness, swelling, or muscle aches, garlic's anti-inflammatory properties may help calm the body's immune response naturally, easing pain and improving mobility. 4. It may even slow down aging. Garlic's antioxidants protect your cells from oxidative damage, one of the main causes of premature aging, wrinkles, and fatigue. Simply put, garlic nourishes almost every part of your body: your heart, your brain, your skin, your energy, and yes, your sleep. Now here's where things get interesting. For generations, people around the world, from Europe to Asia, have placed garlic under their pillows before bed. At first, it might sound like an old superstition, but there's actually a very real reason why it works. Garlic releases trace amounts of sulfur compounds into the air. When you breathe them in as you sleep, they interact with your nervous system, helping calm your body, lower nighttime stress hormones, and ease you into a deeper, more restorative sleep. Garlic's aroma also helps clear nasal congestion, improve breathing, and even reduce mild snoring. For people who suffer from nighttime anxiety, this simple trick can make a noticeable difference. Think of it as aromatherapy, but powered by nature. After the first night or two, the smell won't bother you anymore. Your body will adjust, and you'll start to notice you're falling asleep faster and waking up more refreshed. Many people also report feeling mentally clearer during the day, with more stable energy levels. That's because better sleep means your body has had time to restore hormones, balance metabolism, and repair tissues overnight. If you'd like to enhance this effect, here's a simple natural recipe that's been passed down for generations, and it's supported by science. You'll need 1 cup of milk, 1 crushed clove of garlic, 1 teaspoon of honey. In a small saucepan, add the garlic to the milk and bring it to a gentle boil. Let it simmer for about 3 minutes, then remove from heat and allow it to cool. Stir in the honey and drink it about 30 minutes before bed. The warmth of the milk helps relax your body. The honey soothes your digestion, and the garlic delivers those calming sulfur compounds that help your mind and muscles unwind. This drink is especially helpful for people who experience insomnia, restlessness, or nighttime anxiety. It also helps support your immune system while you sleep. So, what's happening inside your body when you use garlic this way? It all comes down to how your nervous system responds to natural compounds. When your brain senses certain sulfur-based aromas, it triggers a mild relaxation response, similar to the way lavender or chamomile work. This helps reduce cortisol, the stress hormone, which makes it easier to drift into sleep. At the same time, garlic's antioxidants improve blood flow to the brain, supporting oxygen delivery and nighttime brain repair. That's why many people say they wake up feeling clearer and more focused. Garlic also helps balance blood sugar levels overnight, which can reduce those 2 a.m. wake-ups many older adults experience. Over time, you might notice other subtle benefits from this simple nightly habit. Less bloating or indigestion at night, easier breathing, and reduced congestion. Fewer headaches caused by poor sleep, and even a calmer heart rhythm. All of this happens because your body is getting the rest and oxygen it needs without chemical sleep aids or side effects. Garlic may be simple, but it's deeply connected to how our bodies heal naturally. If you'd like to try this yourself, here are a few quick tips. 1. Use fresh garlic, not garlic powder. The healing compound allicin is strongest right after the clove is crushed or cut. 2. Wrap it in a thin tissue or cloth before placing it under your pillow to keep things clean. 3. Replace it every 2 to 3 nights to maintain its freshness and potency. 4. Stay consistent. Like many natural remedies, garlic's effects are gentle but build up over time. Within a week, you may notice that you're sleeping deeper and waking up more refreshed. Remember, your body heals most deeply when you're asleep. Your brain processes memories, your liver filters toxins, and your cells repair damage. Garlic simply helps your body perform these natural functions more efficiently. It supports your immune system, balances your hormones, and reduces oxidative stress, allowing you to age gracefully, stay energetic, and keep your mind sharp. So yes, sleeping with garlic under your pillow might sound old-fashioned, but the results are surprisingly modern. Think of garlic as one of those rare gifts from nature, affordable, available, and endlessly beneficial. You don't need fancy supplements or expensive treatments to improve your sleep and health. Sometimes, the best solutions are right in your kitchen. Whether you choose to sip that warm garlic drink before bed or simply tuck a clove under your pillow, you're taking a gentle, natural step toward better rest, better immunity, and better living. So tonight, give it a try. Crush 1 small clove, wrap it in a tissue, and place it under your pillow. Breathe deeply, relax, and let nature do the rest. And when you wake up feeling a little lighter, a little more energized, you'll understand why this simple habit has lasted for centuries. Garlic isn't just food. It's a quiet healer, one that works while you sleep. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's been struggling to sleep lately. And don't forget to subscribe to Vital Health Guide US, where every week we bring you natural, science-backed ways to stay strong, sleep better, and live longer, all after 55. Until next time, take care of your health, trust in nature, and remember, small habits can lead to big changes. Sweet dreams, and I'll see you in the next video.